popcorn squad, so today it's going to be a more sad video. I'm going to try not to cry, because I worked so hard on this account. Then I think 3 girls teamed up together to take most of my stuff.
Even her
This is on the UK server. These are people. She stole everything. They stole everything. She even deleted her account, so I can't ask for my stuff back. The other one blocked me. That's what I gave to my friend. So, if you could tell, I deleted my account. But you can look at the messages. No, you cannot have my account. People asking me, please don't delete my account, but like literally they stole everything that I worked so hard for. And anyway, I've lost my Live Life account. I'm gonna lose this account. I mean, what's the point in playing anymore? This is my friend, by the way. I don't really know how to talk through this video. But all I'm gonna say is, there definitely won't be any more MSP reviews. I mean, I tried to be happy in that. But I mean, when cool people just come over and do this to you, it's not normal.
It's not nice either.
So last night I got hacked too, and I got back into my account and changed my password, and basically I woke up this morning and I went on, I couldn't get on, so I logged on with my email, and then basically I found out that everyone was took. So I mean, it's basically nobody to blame. I don't know what to say.
Really sad for you.
Guys, I'm gonna be back. So yeah, I'm back. I just got a phone call. I mean, unless someone hacked me and they gave all this to that account, but I mean, like, I don't know what to do.
I feel like you should stay on.
But I mean, like, everything's gone that I worked so hard for. The amounts of money that I've spent on this account. People asking me don't delete, as I've already said. But I mean, I think I've made a final decision that I will be deleting my account. Even though I might work so hard on this account, I mean, things get old sometimes. I don't know when exactly I'll be posting this video, but I will make sure it's being posted. I love you guys. I'll probably just have to move on to Minecraft or Roblox videos, both of them maybe. Reaction videos. Bye guys, I love you all. Peace out. Bye.